to Inspire Dreams. This your girl Taja, and I'm back with a quick video. Today's topic, shadow work. It's time to bring your shadow self to light. What is shadow work? Shadow work is the part of you that lives deep in your subconscious and holds your darkest thoughts, such as limited beliefs and traumatic remembrance. Your shadow makes you feel unworthy and cause you to react harmfully to others. By looking into how you have created this shadow, you not only uncover hidden fears but learn to heal past traumas. Shadow work is the practice of facing your shadow self and releasing what's holding you back. Anyone can do shadow work on their own. However, consider seeking a licensed therapist for treatment, especially if you struggle with severe trauma. This shadow work journal can act as a guide that provides easy-to-use pages, laying out worksheets, writing prompts, etc. But most importantly, it keeps you accountable and consistent in your journey to experience the healing you deserve. Here are 8 ways to start your shadow work. 1. Decide if you'll seek therapy or do shadow work on your own. 2. Practice spotting your inner shadow. 3. Think back to your childhood. 4. Avoid shaming or being ashamed of your shadow. 5. Meditate to observe your triggers. 6. Keep a shadow journal. 7. Express your inner shadow. And 8. Start an inner dialogue. The Shadow Work Prompt Journal includes 75 shadow work prompts, interactive shadow worksheets, healing and shadow self worksheets, limited beliefs and acceptance exercises, note taking space to articulate your thoughts. These journals are available on Amazon, and the link will be in the description box below.